Today we have something really neat. It's a U.S. mail truck piggy bank. Has a vintage U.S. Postal Service lockbox as the door and the locking mechanism. It's made from solid oak and walnut. There you can see the U.S. mail decal. There's the bronze plate on the top, just saying that it's made from vintage USPS lockboxes. There you can see all the detail on it. Very, very nice project. If you have any questions or need the plans for these, just message me on YouTube. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much.